it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is Burt's Bees Melon gift set. This comes in a really cute box. It's the Merry Melon Watermelon and Mint Hand Cream. We have also the Lip Balm and the Tinted Balm, which is a squeeze tube, and that's in Watermelon Rush. This is really cute package. I like how it comes here, and then to open it, you simply twist this, it pops open, and then you have your gift inside. So this is a really nice package, but then the products inside are so much better, right? So Burt's Bees, quality brand, something you can trust. The watermelon and mint hand cream smells so good. It's made with shea butter and it glides on. It keeps my skin so moisturized. The watermelon lip balm, again, it smells really good, but it doesn't taste like watermelon. It almost has no taste at all if you're worried about that. And then this tinted balm is so moisturizing again on your lips. It comes in this squeeze tube and it has a really pretty rosy color. So these products I would highly recommend. And if you're getting this as a gift, it's really nice to get these products because it's something that your friend or loved one can use on a daily basis. And it's a wonderful company and really nice products here with quality ingredients, but that's just my point of view.